us, we appreciate, we welcome the decision of the court, and we will do the necessary in due course. But we are not under any pressure. I think it's important to say that we are not under any pressure, and all is well. Maybe we're going to do, not only involve leaders. There will be so many. Let's say this: the choice and selection of a deputy governor can never ever be an event. It must be a process. You look at the regional things to look at. You know, it's not just regional balance. There are so many things. But most of all, do I have someone loyal to work with? That's most important. The rest may not matter. Nyeri doesn't really care much about the regional balances if you can deliver. That's important to know. I would be looking for someone who would be as close as possible to who would have the traits of my former governor. That's the kind of person you would want to look at. A professional, someone who has the technical and the very best kind of for what we need to do.
No twende acagure mundu mateukorwo mena haro nake. Mundu ekumenya biu wa mbere ni ahitukitie kiwango kiria kiagiriire, ni mundu ina integrity, ni mundu ukota kuruta wira, ni mundu kwirutaniria, na pia ni mundu utekorehe haro. Tondu kiria tutarenda guku Nyeri ni haro. Tone twenyi haro hari iratukinyitie ihinda riu rari na hau mbere. Koguo the deputy ukota kuruta wira nake. Mundu qualified utiramakania kurie kuma no fatane ikorwo akiri mundu wa Nyeri, mundu ukuhota kuruta wira na njira iria yagiriire, na kungihoteka ethe mundu mekota kuruta wira nake mundu utekurehe haro thiini wa county, uguo niguo undu uria ugukorwo wagiriire makiri.